Extend the awning about 12 inches away from the unit. Secure the support arm assembly by running a zip tie around the outer arm and around the pin on the top of the mount arm where the mount arm and the inner arm connect. Be sure to do this on both support arm assemblies. Ensure that the roll tube is properly supported. Next, remove the wax screw from the end cap that attaches the shaft on the drive head assembly. Then, remove the drive head assembly retaining bolt from the outer arm. Once all the hardware is removed, we can disconnect the main power cable, remove the roll tube from the head assembly, and then remove the head assembly from the outer arm. Now it's time to install our new head assembly. First, connect the main power cable. If the replacement head assembly connectors don't match the original power harness, a new power harness may need to be installed prior to securing the new head assembly. Once the wires have been connected, slide the head assembly into the top of the outer arm. Now, secure the drive head assembly in the outer arm with the drive head assembly retaining bolt. Reattach the roll tube to the shaft on the head assembly, making sure that the holes line up for the wax screw. When installing the wax screw, ensure that the top of the screw sits above the end cap about 1/8 of an inch. Now that the head assembly is secure, we can remove the support from under the roll tube. Then, remove the zip ties that have been securing the support arm assemblies. Be sure to remove the zip ties from the drive side, as well as the idle side. With the zip ties removed, extend and retract the awning a couple of times to ensure proper operation.